everyone, it's me, Beau. If you're anything like me, you are desperately searching for an app that actually articulates exactly what you want it to write. I have a weird name, Beau. Odds are that's not gonna take. However, 99.9% of everything else that I am saying will take. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna go ahead and show you a real world screencast of what I see within the app. And I'm gonna use this video right here that you're watching as a showcase. All right, go ahead and open up Captions. Now we're gonna click Create in the very bottom, and we're going to click Import because this is an existing video that I wanna put closed captions on. And it's gonna be that one. Hello, right everyone, there. It's me, Beau. You can preview it if you'd like. I'm just gonna click pause. Now we're gonna click Done in the lower right and click Continue with one item. That looks pretty good right there. Proceed with English, and it should take anywhere from 30 to 60 seconds to render. Hello everyone, it's me, Beau. If you're anything. And just like that, it is done. Now, as mentioned before, my name, Beau, is a little weird. So, oh wow, it actually got the Beau part. That's surprising. Chevasu, it's a weird French name. So I'm actually going to edit with Captions right there, and I'm gonna click on my name, Chevasu, and then click on Edit in the lower right. And this is probably gonna be the only thing that I need to change, but I'm just gonna click Apply, and that's pretty much it. I can scrub along here and look for any other kind of weird words that it might have misinterpreted, but it looks like everything. Oh wait, there's one more time that I said Chevasu. Let's go ahead and correct that. But if you don't have a weird name like I do, then you're probably gonna be good to go. Man, that is cool. One other fun thing is we're gonna click on Style, kind of in the lower left, right at the very bottom. And let's say I want to change it to Focus. So we're gonna click on that option right there. Hey, that is pretty cool. We're gonna click Done. Now, the only thing I don't like about Focus is the fact that it is right in the middle of my face, and that's a little distracting. So we're just gonna kind of drag this down to give us some more wiggle room to play with. And then I'm gonna select the text by dragging it with my finger, and we're gonna put this all the way down here. So now it's kind of, the closed captions are now down by my neck. Isn't that incredible? All right, and all you have to do is click on the export in the upper right. Typically, I like to click more options, and then I click 4K resolution and also 60 frames per second, and then all I have to do is export to camera roll. And that concludes this demonstration. If in fact you are looking for the best possible bang for your buck, I've even contacted support, and they are real people, then the Captions app that I am referencing right here in the description below of this YouTube video is absolutely worth its weight in gold. Hopefully this demonstration helps in getting closed captions and subtitles on your videos so you can go viral.